Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the steering wheel on a Jaguar X-Type. As you know, it's a weak spot, sometimes they get somewhere, so we have a parts car and we're going to use a new steering wheel. So stay with us to see how to remove and replace the steering wheel. First you need to remove the airbag, guys, so the airbag is right here, okay, and stay with us to see how to do that, and then we're going to proceed with removing the steering wheel. What you need to do first, you need to open the hood and you need to disconnect the battery for at least 30 minutes before we proceed with removing the airbag, because that way you will discharge the airbag system and there will be minimum risk of deploying while you're working on it. So always be careful, guys, always touch something metal before you start working on it. And what we're going to use is a T30, okay, the star looking bit like that. And there is one bolt, okay, right there, that you will need to remove. It's kind of like in an angle a little bit, so you need to find it, and after that you just need to unscrew it a couple revolutions. It will not come out, it just goes a certain way. And there is one more, okay, right there, and usually they're not very tight. You can remove them with a screwdriver like that, and remember, they will not come out, you just get them loose. And now if you grab the airbag, if everything is good, you should be able to pull it out, but if it's still holding, it means that you need to unscrew the bolts a little bit more, which you should do. Don't pull too much, because you can damage the airbag if it's a new airbag, unless it was deployed and you're replacing it. Okay, got it loose, and now you can pull it out, guys. Now be very careful with the wires here, okay? Alright, guys, you have two wires here, so now that yellow thing, you need to push it back, okay, like that. And after you push it back, you need to grab the airbag wire and just pull it, but go straight. Sometimes they get stuck, okay, this one here as well. Don't twist it left and right, you just need to go up, okay. It's pretty tight, okay, right here. If you squish on the sides, right there, that's how it come out easy. And this is the airbag, guys, right here. Once you guys remove the airbag, okay, next thing, we need to remove those wires for the steering wheel controls. You need to push up on that little notch there, okay, so it releases it. It's this one, it's hard to show you, this one right here. You need to push up and then you pull them out, okay, just like that. And the airbag wires, you cannot actually, you don't need to remove them right now. Then you guys need a T50, okay, like that star looking T50 socket. And now we're going to remove it. You need a long brake over bar and hold the steering wheel, don't apply any pressure on the locking. Okay, we got it loose. Usually those are not very tight. We recommend using a thread lock when you install the new steering wheel, and get it tight pretty good. One person holding the steering wheel and the other one getting the bolt tight as much as you can, but don't break it inside, okay. And this is the bolt, as you can see, has thread lock, so always apply thread lock on that bolt. And now you can go ahead and start removing it, but you need to feed the wires, okay, for the airbag and that spring right here, and you need to be careful, okay, just like that. Alright, guys, and this is the steering wheel right here. If you have any questions, let us know. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.